That was a good sleep. Apart from when I was awoken by a loud noise. What was it? My bedside's gone. Harpoons? What? If you're reading this, it means that the device is attacking something weird. Press this button to equip your suit now. Alright. Yeah, now I can, like... Okay, well, actually, I'm not gonna lie, everything looks the same, but I guess I will see weird stuff if it happens. Maybe something's this way. I'm just gonna go check out the main area, see what... Oh my god! What did he do to my house? He took my mugs. He took my living room. He harpooned my sofa. What am I supposed to do? My fountain in the middle of the stairs. That was like my favorite part of my house. I think there's a body hanging there. Well, at least someone's enjoying this. Have fun, skeletons. HD ticket!
That would be the Fall Guys!
Well, I guess if I can't find them, I'll just have to call them. I'll try Freaky first. Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring!
Hello! You're hearing this message because you forgot to consider that somebody who dies 3 times a week isn't going to be able to keep a phone intact for very long. Use a ritual next time.
Yeah, so that's all that. I guess I'll try Whistle then. This isn't blocked yet. That's good. Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring! Ring ring!
I am not in possession of the phone.
Oh, right. Wait. What's going on here? More hanging bodies? When did he take it? No! What did they do to you? Impaled by a harpoon behind the Waffle House. There's only one person that's fit it in. Well, he can't kill Freaky, right? He always comes back. Alright, let's see what... Oh my god, what happened here? What is going on? Casey Ticket must have got here as well. Or... I think Casey Ticket? I can't remember with the memories being funny, but What is that? Who? They crucified Freaky. Maybe there's something on the roof over here? The pentagram. But it's slightly unfinished right here. Dead Freaky. What is that noise? Hey, she ticket, it's you.
What are you doing here?
Oh, it's Coggins, by the way, if you couldn't tell that suit.
Yeah, I noticed.
Anyway, first you destroy my house, then you kill everyone, everywhere I walk.
Yep.
What's going on here?
I just kind of felt like West Building, you know?
Come back! I hate these ghost antics. I better go. Maybe I can check Whisker's castle. Whisker's castle. There's a lot of blood around here. I wonder what. Oh my god. This is the worst one. Definitely. Like, I know you hate me, but I can't feel sorry here. I'm definitely dead. Nothing I can do. Oh. Payphone. May as well give it a call.
So, I see you found Whistle, bucko. Sorry for the mess, I had to leave in a hurry. Lots of killing to do, you know. I mean, of course, dude, you're an assassin. Anyway, I'll see you soon, I'm hoping. I'm really bored.
Oh. Well, I better go.
Please.
Hey, what's wrong, stepman?
Oh god. Help me.
Oh hey,
Morning,
she
guys.
ticket.
What are you guys doing? Spending misinformation?
You know, I'm just
This stuff's
showing
really-
things out stuff on websites when they're completely in stock.
Oh, that's excellent. That.
Another well.
How are you, Rube?
What are you up to, Rogue?
You know what? That's fair enough. Rest in peace, SD ticket. I will miss you.
What should I spread next?
They're going to the beach. They don't know if there's an army coming.
Rogue 2, why do you always speak
I'm
such
gonna
quiet? I can
pickle.
barely hear what you're saying.
So nobody knows the truth.
Oh, guys, what if we say that Hollow Knight Silk Song's releasing in 2025?
That'd be good.
0% of people spread misinformation on the internet.
That is correct.
That is true. This is increased by the fact that we are not, in fact, people.
Actually, this job's kind of boring.
Yeah, I guess.
There's only so much misinformation you can spread.
We're
Yes.
going down there, torturing the souls. Treachery.
Treachery?
It's a bit
What if
boring
we
for a while.
overthrow Satan and run the hell how we want or something? Like, I know it's crazy,
Well,
but
say
like,
so.
okay, let's go then. I guess.
In my first act of rebellion.
I have nothing to lose.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Let's cause a ruckus.
And we're running at this glass window.
Woo!
Alright. I guess I'll go to the lab. Let's see what I can do. Oh, finally. Let's do some research. This is all I've got left to do. Glowy glasses guy. Glowy glasses guy. Turn it on. Alright. Glowy glasses guy found on the stake for being witch. Like, that's really old. But, glowy glasses guy found. What? Why is all this stuff happened? He must have been around for a long time. Who do I know who's been around for a long time? Wait! I can ask Freaky. Oh, got stuck in there all there. Alright. Wait. Oh, I'm sick of that noise. Wait. No, the noise. Wait. So, assuming all the skeletons at the graveyard were damaged, Freaky couldn't respawn them, meaning he would respawn the skeletons. If there were absolutely none left, then he'd at least one of these ones, but he's not here. Which means he's still out there somewhere. I can try and summon him. I can try and summon him. Yes. That's what I'll do. I have to summon him. Yeah. Alright, just have to make a pentagram. My anti paint remover, so it doesn't get vandalized. I forgot about that. It's not fancy with pentagrams. Yeah, that's just like it's a really tiny thing. Hold on. That's a map. I know that place. I gotta go. Still can't use these.
This place is really I don't like it. You're doing the talking, right?
Walking underground.
Yes.
It's the man himself. Are you sure we can do
Well,
that?
head. I feel like there should be bodies there, but I guess not.
I think
He's a bit imposing.
Say it.
Yeah.
We're gonna revolt against you!
This guy is freezing my vocal cords.
Oh, good.
Welcome to this maze. I have sent you here for your treason. There is one thing you must do to escape. Get to the center and find the exit.
Sound terrible? Yes. No. Friends are. Oh, hey, there's one of them. How you doing? Fair enough. Oh, hi there. Oh. Hi.
Oh, it's you.
Hi there. How you doing? I feel like I was just here.
Alright.
Where is the exit? I hate this place. How many of you are you? I don't know.
Help me, release me from this maze. Help, oh God, the pain, oh God, the pain, help me.
No, I don't know where the exit is. Where am I? Oh, hey there.
Whoever you are,
Who?
did this.
Oh no way, I found the exit!
Please don't leave us here.
As a reward for achieving this impossible task, I will grant you any wish of your choice.
I wish for eternal life on the surface.
Very well. However, as your punishment for cheating me and escaping this maze, any actions you do shall be forgotten, meaning you will never have an impact on the world you so wish to enter.
Wait! No!
Alright, so this is where that map led me. Construct. Hold on. I recognize you. I remember. You made all those jokes.
I
Those
forgot.
Terrible, terrible jokes.
Who are you? Why is the icing the star? Because you see people there. Ah ha ha!
The red dot on the map was right here. I'm guessing it's underground. Well, found the right place. Let's see this before we reach it. Alright. Phone. Why wouldn't there be a phone? Ah! What was that noise? Ah, my eyes! It's like... It's the same type of light as HE Ticket's brightness. What is this? What the hell? It's just some massive glowy room. What's the point of all this? Graves? Hold on. Freaky... I don't know, I don't know. Let me just count. Dave... Pax, Whistle, Freaky, Gug. Oh. Who are these ones at the back for? Let me on this Ah! What happened? My vision went all weird. Everything looks wrong now. Alright. Let's see.
Oh,
Some...
hi Goggins.
Huh? Who said that? Huh? Where is this? Freaky?
Oh, over here.
Oh, what's happening in there?
Alright, I'm back. Yeah. He's...
Freaky.
You've probably seen that he killed, like, everyone.
Yeah, I've been noticing.
And now all of the skeletons that he's collected are up there.
Ah! What, so you're just trapped here
So I'm
constantly dying?
Yep, there's bone-hurting juice in the humidifier.
Oh.
So... yeah, I need a way out.
Alright, well, I'll see if I can find anything. You just hold on there.
Hello, Cargums.
HD ticket.
How are you doing on this splendid day? I'm
Don't
doing
get
quite
me on
fine
this
myself.
book.
Well, the reason why I'm doing this is because it was funny for a minute, then I'm getting bored. I'm immortal and all that, yada yada. I was having fun messing with you guys, but it's getting very boring, so that's just want to kill you all. You know, get it over with, find some more people to mess around with. Do you think that's gonna do anything?
Maybe I do have superpowered punches in the suit.
Oh, okay, come on, let's go fight Nia then if you really want. Let's see if he can go do anything.
Since when can you do that?
Yeah,
Where's
magic.
the harpoons that I'm used to?
What's happening through there?
Oh, I just felt
Throwing bricks
I felt
at
like
me.
using power.
Ow. Ow. It's like a lot stronger than I remember.
Yeah, no. I've just been messing around with the harpoons. I can do a lot more than that. Even I can do even more than this, but I don't feel like it.
Goggins, over here. I think I've got an idea.
I'll try.
Unlucky for me, I don't have very good aim.
Oh, where are you? Oh, you're back.
Sorry. Alright. So, I think, this guy. I think I remember, like, so, the devil sent him to this maze in treachery, and he got out when he wasn't meant to. So I think, if we can summon Satan, he might send this guy back into that secret maze, or somewhere worse, I don't know.
Let me get my game
So-
that I used to summon you. Alright.
That's what I was warning you about.
Ow. Ow.
It's just a shame he didn't draw him right, even if he's throwing out the again.
Well, I heard that you liked harpoons so much, so I thought I'd start shooting the harpoons at you again.
Ow. Okay. I hope Satan isn't as big as like you.
It sounds like it's not working. Alright, well, Coggins, I can't really see what you're doing.
Hold on,
But,
alright.
I mean, if that wasn't,
Hold on. Hey. I think my bones are exposed. I don't know if you can, like... maybe you can do the magic for this?
oh,
What do you think you
yeah.
guys are planning?
Bone exposure. It's not something up there. Alright,
Ah.
Coggins. This is probably really painful for you, but
Wait. No.
as long as it gets stuff done. Right. So we're gonna do that. And...
Don't you send him back to me. Don't do it.
Steal this guy, he's kind of annoying. Send him back to treachery.
Don't do it.
End his existence once more. He does not deserve to be in this realm. Alright, see you later.
Oh my god. Who are you?
I am glad to have another chance to seal this man. He has cheated me once, and he will not cheat me again.
Wait, are you Satan?
Yes. Are you the one who brought me here?
Yeah, I summoned. I need the HE ticket dead.
It appears as though he is trying to alter history in ways he cannot. I will reverse whatever he has done.
Oh yeah, he killed everyone except me.
I see. Well, they never died.
Oh.
What he has done did not happen.
Whistle. Goog. You're back. What do you say we go and get some waffles? all on a day's work, right, guys?
Glad we can go out eating again. You know, everybody dying brutally really just like puts you in the appetite.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So, group better?
Yeah, sure. Where?
Outside on the grass.
Alright.
Hey, Gig, that's like, not the best place. Could you maybe stand behind?
Okay.
Stand behind me.